Hello everyone, welcome to the product video for Select Controls Analog 3-Phase Voltage Protection Relay 600 VPR 310/520 volt, suitable for 415 volt line-to-line. This compact 17.5 mm relay is designed to monitor under voltage, over voltage, phase sequence, phase asymmetry, and phase failure. It features LED indications for power on and fault conditions. This relay ensures accurate monitoring with an accuracy of 0.5% of full-scale voltage. With a supply voltage range of 310 volt to 520 volt AC line-to-line, a one-change over SPDT output relay, and CE and RoHS certification, it provides reliable and efficient protection for your electrical systems. At the top, there are terminals L1, L2, L3. L1 you need to connect to R phase, L2 to Y phase and L3 to B phase. At the bottom, there are again 3 terminals. 15 is COM, 16 is NC and 18 is NO. There are 3 knobs. First knob is for overvoltage setting, second knob is for trip time delay, and third one is for undervoltage setting. There are 2 LEDs. Our LED is for the trip indication. Whenever the product is in trip condition, the R LED will glow. The on LED is for showing that the product is in on condition. Now coming back to trip time delay, you can set the knob as per your requirement. From 0.2 seconds to 10 seconds, you can set the trip time delay. Now, let us learn about how to do the setting for overvoltage and undervoltage. You can set the overvoltage and undervoltage percentages from 2.5 to 25%. The question arises now on how to set these percentages. So I will give you the formula for doing settings for these. So here is the formula which we need to apply. The value 2.5 is divided by 100 into nominal voltage. The nominal voltage of the product is 415 volt, so 2.5 divided by 100 into 415, which is 10.3. So for undervoltage, you need to do 415 minus 10.3, which is 404 volt. For overvoltage, 415 plus 10.3, which is 425 volt. Same way, you can calculate your undervoltage and overvoltage values from 2.50% to 25%. In this table, you can see what is the value. For 2.50%, undervoltage is 404.6 volt, till 25%, which is 311.1 volt. Overvoltage value for 2.50% is 425.3 volt till 25%, which is 518.7 volt. Applications: solar and energy storage, switchgear panels, wind power generation, transformers,